Hi, Jaden. So I'm going to go over number 8. Basically, you just can't, if you want to take the square root of a sum, you can't take the square root of each individual part. You have to first add what's inside and then take the square root of that answer. So to add what's inside, you need to get a common denominator. The common denominator is 400. 16 times 25 is 400, so I'm going to multiply the numerator by 25. It'll be 25x squared. 25 times 16 is 400, so I'm going to multiply by 16. Now I can add those because I have a common denominator. So I'll have 25 plus 16, which is 41x squared. Then when I want to take the square root of that, I break it up into the square root of each part, and the square root of 400 is 20. The square root of 41x squared, x squared is a perfect square, so x comes out, x times the square root of 41 over 20. So the basic rule is you can take if you have a square root of a product or a difference, if you have the square root of, like, let's say it was 25 times 16, you're allowed to break that up into the square root of 25 times the square root of 16. Same thing with division. The square root of 25 divided by 16 is equal to the square root of 25 divided by the square root of 16. But what you can't break up is addition and subtraction. So you cannot do, like, if it was the square root of 25 plus 16, you cannot break that up into the square root of 25 plus the square root of 16, because they're not, if you work out the numbers, it won't be equal. You have to first take the sum. It'll be the square root of whatever the sum is. In this case, it'll be 41. And same thing with subtraction. Can't break up a difference. Okay, so those are the general rules for breaking up square roots into their parts. So let me know if you want me to go over this again in a different way. All right, thanks.